What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Chevrolet Tahoe remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the 2025 Chevy Tahoe, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold my key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. We see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. You can see the key goes in there about that far. So what I'm going to do is put the key in that notch, and then I'm just going to pry up like this, and it's going to pop up this back cover. So take your key, put it in that notch right there. Make sure it's pushed in as far as you can, and then pry up like that. And go ahead and pull that back cover off, and we see our battery right here. And I'm going to use my key to get in one of these two notches, and that'll allow you to get down in there and get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first down here like that. Tuck that edge in first, then snap the battery down into place. Then we'll grab our back cover, and I'm going to hook the top on first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.